Cloud Identity and Access Management. Identity and Access Management, IAM, is a security system that provides an organization with control over user access to its network, systems, applications, and data. Additionally, IAM systems can be used to provide granular control over access rights and privileges in order to prevent unauthorized use of sensitive information or resources. What does Cloud Identity and Access Management include? Cloud Identity and Access Management, IAM, is a set of tools and services that helps organizations securely manage the identities and access rights of their users. These tools allow companies to control who has access to their data, applications, and other sensitive information. Cloud IAM includes features such as single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, identity federation, privileged access management, password management, and user provisioning. Privileged access management helps organizations protect their most sensitive data by controlling who can view it. Cloud IAM versus IAM. What's the difference? Cloud IAM and IAM are two different approaches to identity and access management. Cloud IAM is specifically designed for cloud-based applications, while IAM is a more general solution that can apply to any type of application. Cloud IAM allows administrators to create policies that define who has access to which resources, and it also provides security controls such as authentication, authorization, and encryption. On the other hand, traditional IAM solutions are typically more complicated in their setup and require manual configuration. Additionally, they tend to be more expensive than cloud-based solutions. Both approaches have their advantages and disadvantages depending on the type of environment they are being applied in, but ultimately they serve the same purpose of providing secure access control.